Do you see her? Most people don't. This is Jeanette. She has lived with incontinence for 17 years following the birth of her son. Thousands of women across Ethiopia, just like her, are hidden away in shame and isolation.
በቃ ቤትም ሆኜ በዚህም ትገላገላለች በዚህም እንትን ትላለች ያሉ ደረቱ እንትኑ አንገቱን አውጥቶ እዚህ እንትን ብሎ ከዛ እዛ እንትን ነው የወለድኩት አጣጥ ነው የወለድኩት አጣጥ ስወልድ ከዛ በኋላ ይሄ ልጅ በዛ ትቦ ሲያረጉልኝ ከዛ በኋላ እዚህ መጣሁኝ ስመጣ ያ ትቦ ሲወጣ
Jeanette was left with an obstetric fistula, a hole between the birth canal and bladder. This devastating but preventable childbirth injury is caused by an obstructed labour without access to emergency care, such as a caesarean delivery. Ashamed of the smell and constant leaking, Jeanette could no longer go to church, the market, or play an active role in her community. That was until she was found by Hamlin Fistula Ethiopia and brought to a Hamlin hospital for life-changing surgery. Today, Jeanette is healed and happy because of the support of someone like you.
አመጥኩኝ ጤናዬን አገኘሁ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ይሁን ጤናዬን አገኘሁ ፈጣሪ ይመስገን በድሮ በጣም ለውጥ አለኝ ተደስቻለሁ ደስ ብሎኛል አሁን በደስታ ነው አገሬ ነው ደስ ብሎኛል አስከነ ጤናዬን አግኝቻለሁ አመሰግናለሁ
Shining a light on Jeanette's story shows the importance of finding more women like her, healing them and preventing other women from suffering through providing safe childbirth care and trained midwives. Will you help find her and heal her? Even the smallest gift can help bring another woman out of the shadows and show her that she is seen.